Rishi was a young man who worked at a mobile shop in his town. He had studied English in school, but he never felt confident speaking it. He would often avoid conversations with customers who spoke in English. One day, a customer asked, "Can you help me choose a phone?" Rishi froze. He understood the question, but he didn't know how to answer in English. He felt embarrassed and upset. That evening, he searched on YouTube, "How to speak English fluently." He clicked on a video with the title, "Spend 10 minutes for 30 days, speak English easily." The speaker said, "You don't need hours every day. Just give 10 minutes. Every day. For 30 days, practice, speak, and you will see change." Rishi felt hopeful. "I can give 10 minutes," he told himself. Day 1. Start small. Rishi stood in front of the mirror and said, "My name is Rishi. I work in a mobile shop. I want to speak English confidently." He repeated this 5 times. He also practiced, "Can I help you? What features are you looking for? This phone is on sale." It felt strange at first, but he didn't stop. Day 5. Adding conversations. By day 5, Rishi began speaking with his sister in English. He said, "How was your day?" She laughed but answered, "It was good. I went to college." Every day he added more. "What did you eat? Did you finish your homework? Let's watch an English movie." Day 10. Talking at work. At work, Rishi saw another customer walk in. He took a breath and said, "Good morning. How can I help you?" The customer replied, "I want a phone under 15,000 rupees. Rishi smiled and said, "Sure, I will show you some options." It wasn't perfect, but it worked, and he was proud. Day 15. More confidence. Rishi now used English daily. He greeted customers. He watched short English videos. He read signs, menus, and messages in English. He also kept a notebook. Each day he wrote 3 new phrases. Examples: "I'm just looking, thank you." This model has a good camera. "Can you tell me the price?" Day 20. Real conversations. One customer from Delhi walked in and said, "I need a phone with a strong battery." Rishi replied, "This phone has a 5000 milliamp hours battery. It lasts up to 2 days. The man smiled. "Your English is good." Rishi felt like flying. "Thank you," he said, trying not to show his excitement. Day 25. Helping others. Now, Rishi's co-workers noticed his progress. "How are you speaking English so well?" one of them asked. He replied, "Just 10 minutes every day. That's all. I practiced simple sentences and spoke aloud." He encouraged others to try. Day 30. A new Rishi. On day 30, Rishi recorded himself speaking for 1 full minute. Hello, my name is Rishi. I work in customer service. 1 month ago, I couldn't speak much English. But now I talk with people daily. I feel confident and happy. I still make mistakes, but I learn from them. When he watched the video, he was amazed. That's me, he said, smiling. He remembered day one, the fear, the silence, the embarrassment. Now he spoke clearly. He understood, and he smiled more. Final thoughts from Rishi. If you want to speak English, start now. Don't wait. Don't worry about being perfect. Speak every day. Even for 10 minutes, you will see the magic.